Remember when everyone said Google was sleeping while ChatGPT took over the world? Well, plot twist. Google just dropped Gemini 3 and it's absolutely crushing every benchmark in existence. We are talking about a model that scored 1501 on the LM Arena leaderboard. The first AI to ever break 1500. OpenAI boss Sam Altman just leaked an internal memo warning his team about rough vibes ahead. He is worried, really worried. So, is the AI race actually over? Did Google just checkmate everyone? Let me take you back to February 2023. Google launched BART, their answer to ChatGPT, and it flopped. After the very first demo, BART gave wrong information about the James Webb Telescope. Google stock dropped $100 billion in one day. One day. Then in 2024, their Gemini image generator created historically wrong pictures, showing the Pope as female and depicting German soldiers from the 1940s as black. The internet roasted them. CEO Sundar Pichai had to apologize publicly. Everyone wrote Google off. They were sleeping giant that missed the AI revolution. Right? Wrong. While everyone was watching OpenAI make headlines, Google was quietly grinding behind the scenes. They unified their DeepMind research team with their brain unit. They started aggressive hiring, and get this, they brought back Noam Saji, one of the original authors of the Transformer paper that basically created modern AI, the guy who invented a technology everyone using. They also got Logan Kilpatrick back from OpenAI. When he returned to Google, he said there were literally zero users on the Gemini platform, zero revenue. He called it a 0 to 1 experience. Fast forward to today, 650 million monthly users. November 2024, Google releases Gemini 3 Pro. The numbers are insane. It scored 91% on GPQA Diamond, that is PhD level science questions. It got 37.5% on humanity last exam, a test with 2500 super hard questions across 100 subjects. OpenAI GPT-5, 26.5%. Just on the Math Arena Apex benchmark, the hardest math test for AI, Gemini 3 scored 23.4%. Claude Sonnet 4.5 got 1.6%. GPT 5.1 got 1%. Yeah, but here is where it gets crazy. There is something called Arc AGI designed to test if AI can actually reason like humans with new problems they have never seen before. Most models scored in the teens or low 20s. Gemini 3 Deep Think Mode 45.1%. You can see here. Even Salesforce Mark Benioff tweeted he is not going back to ChatGPT after trying Gemini 3. Quote, the leap is insane. Reasoning, speed, images, video, everything is sharper and faster. Meanwhile, OpenAI is burning money like crazy. They have lost $5 billion in 2024. 5 billion. Their revenue was only 3.7 billion, spending 7 billion on training models and running servers. Sam Altman even admitted they are losing money on their $200 per month ChatGPT Pro subscriptions because people use it way more than expected. Here is the kicker. In an internal memo that leaked, Altman told OpenAI staff that Google progress is and warned them to prepare for rough vibes. The head of ChatGPT told employees in October they are facing the greatest competitive pressure ever seen. Let's talk numbers. OpenAI is valued at 500 billion but losing billions yearly. They need constant fundraising to survive. Google parent company Alphabet, $3.9 trillion market cap, 150 billion in annual revenue, 100 billion in profit last year. Google does not need to ask to investor for money. They can just write check themselves. They have 70% of cloud customers already using their AI, 13 million developers building with their models. Companies like Dutch Bank, Wells Fargo, Walmart, all using Gemini. Google Cloud hit a $44 billion annual run rate in 2024, and they have been growing faster than Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure for 3 straight quarters. So, is the AI race over? Did Google win? Yes, for now, at least. OpenAI started this whole thing and deserves credit for that. But when you are losing 5 billions a year while your competitor has infinite money and just released a model that crushes yours on 19th of the 20 benchmarks, that is a problem. Google has the tech, the infrastructure, the money, and now the best model. They control search, Android, Chrome, YouTube. You can push Gemini to billions of people instantly. OpenAI is like a startup racing against a tank. Sure, they might innovate something crazy, but right now, in this moment, Google just left everyone on the track. The sleeping giant woke up and it brought receipts.